if whole root over of 1 plus root over of 1 plus t is equal to cube root of t, then what is the value of t? Now solution. Given 1 plus root over of 1 plus t whole root over is equal to cube root of t. Let p is equal to cube root of t. Then pq is equal to t. So this implies 1 plus whole root over 1 plus t can be replaced with pq. Whole root over is equal to p. This implies 1 plus pq whole root over again root over is equal to p. Now squaring both sides, we get 1 plus whole root over 1 plus pq is equal to p square. This implies 1 plus pq root over is equal to p square minus 1. This implies 1 plus pq whole root over whole square is equal to p square minus 1 whole square. This again implies 1 plus pq is equal to p square minus 1 whole square. This implies 1 cube plus pq is equal to p square minus 1 square whole square. We know a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus a b plus b square. Again a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Now applying this formula we get here, this implies 1 plus p into 1 minus p plus p square is equal to p minus 1 into p plus 1 whole square. This implies 1 plus p into 1 minus p plus p square minus of p minus 1 whole square p plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. This implies 1 plus p we can take common now. This will be 1 minus p plus p square. We can write p square minus p plus 1 minus here p minus 1 whole square, p minus 1 whole square, and this is into p plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies p plus 1. Now this is p square minus p plus 1 minus this will be p square plus 1 minus 2p into p plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies p plus 1 This is p square minus p plus 1. Now multiplying two bracket expressions we get pq plus p minus 2p square plus p square plus 1 minus 2p is equal to 0. This implies p plus 1. This is p square minus p plus 1. It will be pq minus p square minus p plus 1 within bracket is equal to 0. This implies p plus 1 into p square minus p plus 1 minus pq plus p square plus p minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies p plus 1 whole into 2p square minus p plus p cancel minus pq is equal to 0. This implies p plus 1. Now taking p square common, we get 2 minus p is equal to 0. This implies p plus 1 is equal to 0, p square is equal to 0, or 2 minus p is equal to 0. This implies p is equal to minus 1, p is equal to 0, p is equal to 2. So we get now three values of p, but t is equal to pq. Then t is equal to minus 1q is equal to minus 1. T is equal to 0q is equal to 0. T is equal to 2q is equal to 8. So there are three values of a t. We get t is equal to minus 1, t is equal to 0, t is equal to 2. But we have the original equation 1 plus 1 plus t whole root over, then again root over, is equal to cube root of t. Suppose this is equation 1. When t is equal to minus 1, equation 1 is invalid. So by putting t is equal to minus 1, here we will get this expression is 0. So root over of 1 left hand side, it will be cube root of minus 1, which is not possible. When t is equal to 0, then equation 1 is invalid, because when t is equal to 0, it will be root 2, and when t is equal to 0, it will be 0. So it is invalid. When t is equal to 8, then equation 1 is valid, because when t is equal to 8, it will be 9, root over 9 is 3, 1 plus 3, 4, root over 4 is 2. And here cube root of 8 is 2. 2 is equal to 2. So it is valid. Hence, the final value of a t is equal to 8 answer. So, finally we get the value of t is equal to 8. With this, the topic for this class is completed. I shall meet you soon with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.